Hello friends, welcome to Let's Do It. With exam coming closer, your family and friends and people surrounding you tell you how to study and how not to study. They suggest you a lot of study techniques. Few of them may work and few may not. So do we have any study techniques that works scientifically well? Today we are here with 9 scientific tips that actually work and will help you to study faster. To at first intro. First, attempt to avoid to study around evening time. It has been scientifically demonstrated that studying around evening time or sleep deprivation causes less working memory, decreased ability to execute functions, and also lowers your physical reaction time. Lack of sleep causes a lot of tiredness, which eventually lowers your brain functionality. Study during daytime as much as possible and have a peaceful sleep at night. Tip number 2, then how to study and when. You will be surprised to know, according to a study by Microsoft, the average human being currently has an attention span of 8 seconds and the average concentration span can be between 1 to 2 hours. According to Pomodoro technique, you should study in small chunks of 25 to 30 minutes and take a 5-minute break. Now, if you are not able to finish a particular topic in 30 minutes, this is where the Zeigarnik impact comes into picture, which says that people recall uncompleted or intruded on tasks better than completed tasks. Sitting for 8 to 10 hours on the double is not a smart thought. Now, why this is because in short repetitive sessions the brain is better at translating information into synapses. Third, make a plan and keep a devil. Keep small goals for yourselves, like learning the Pythagoras hypothesis or the parts of a human brain. Study each topic in turn and make sure that you not just understand the topic yet. You should also have the option to teach that idea to someone else too. On the off chance that you have one target, then you can focus more and better during a study. 2 groups of people were given a topic to study. In gathering, other students were just asked to study a topic. In Group B, they were told that they had to teach the topic to a class of students. After they have studied it, results showed that gathering we performed better than bunch. This means in the event that you teach a particular topic to someone, your brain trains itself in a more coherent manner. So attempt to study in groups or teach your friends. That is a more logical and consistent way. So now we're to study. Design a table and fix the spot for your study. Your study should have all that you may need while studying. Sit on the chair. This will keep your posture appropriate. Do not study on bed. They are meant for sleeping. Make sure the room is eased up enough. The bearing of light is best in the event that it comes from behind and over the shoulder, and light straightforwardly from above is also great. Music helps in studying. However, what matters the most is that which kind of music you are listening. Try to choose music that is not quite the same as your favorite sort and music with a repetitive pulse. Choose neutral music or any classical music and don't play too noisy. The Mozart impact is the most famous hypothesis that links music and cognitive performance, which is closely related to learning and critical thinking skills. People also see that listening to Mozart can make you smarter. However, there's no scientific proof to that. Also recollect that we are talking about music and not songs. There should be bare least or 0 lyrics. A lot of you must mark important statements in your books so that it will be easier for you to revise it later. Scientifically, there is a better choice to revise, that is by making flashcards. At the point when you randomly feature a lot of things on a paper, your brain cannot interface any of those topics together, causing a fear. It also draws unnecessary attention to the topics which are not vital. Also, on the other hand, when you take a gander at the front side of a flashcard and think about an answer, you are engaging a mental faculty known as active recall. All in all, you attempt to recollect the idea from the scratch instead of just taking a gander at the paragraph in your course, reading or recalling that it on a questionnaire with various choices. For this memory trail, successful recall has been shown to create stronger neural connections. Flashcards help you practice faster, and they are to the point. 8. Practice as much as you can. The more you practice, the more sure you get. By taking practice tests, you can know how a lot more efforts you still want to place in, so just practice well. Do you really need a scientific proof for this? Last yet not the least, keep your telephone away and start studying. The continuous updates on your telephone are very distracting and murder your concentration. You can also attempt me fasting, which is like regular fasting, yet here you keep yourself away from the electronic gadgets and social media. To do this, you can attempt a few tips like turn the notifications off, diminish the quantity of times you check your telephone, time yourself, be more disciplined, and whenever required, eliminate a few apps from your telephone. Well friends, these are the 9 scientific tips that helps to study better. There are always exceptions throughout everyday life, so there may be students for whom few of these tips may not work. So don't stress, just discover your best way to understand and study your topic well. Even after watching this video you are still procrastinating on your studies, watch our video on procrastination. We have 25 plus more exam CDs videos which may also help you to study in a better manner. All the best for your exams, and thanks for watching this video. Support us by subscribe our channel. Adieu.